Finding good samples for free is hard, but not anymore. In this video, I'm giving you the top 5 websites where you can download free samples and sample packs. No copyright issues, no paywalls. Whether you make trap, drill, hip-hop, or any other genre, these sites have you covered. So let's get into it. Number 5. LOOPERMAN. This site has thousands of free loops, samples, and acapellas, all uploaded by real producers. Everything is royalty-free, so no copyright strikes, no demonetization. You're safe. You can search by genre, BPM, even key. So finding the right sound is super easy. And the best part? It's completely free. No sign-up needed to download. Number 4. LANDR. LANDR is mainly known for mastering, but they also have a huge library of free and premium sample packs. You get high quality, professional sounds, drums, synths, loops, all in one place. The free samples are solid, but if you go premium, you unlock way more packs. If you want clean, studio quality sounds for your beats, LANDR is worth checking out. Number 3. CYMATICS. CYMATICS is one of the most popular free sample sites for trap, hip-hop, and bass music producers. They drop free sample packs regularly. 808s, melodies, drum kits, all high quality. Just go to their website, grab the free packs, and you're good to go. If you make trap or drill beats, CYMATICS is a must-have in your collection. Number 2. Hipstrumentals. This site is a goldmine if you make hip-hop or rap beats. They have free instrumentals, drum kits, and sample packs, all ready to download. The sounds are more old school and boom bap flavored, so if you want that classic hip-hop feel, this is the place. And just like the others, completely free. Number 1. ProducerGrind. This is hands down one of the best free sample sites for producers. They have drum kits, sample packs, presets, covering trap, drill, R&B, hip-hop, and more. The quality is really good, and they keep dropping new free stuff all the time. If you're only bookmarking one site from this list, make it ProducerGrind. I've included all the site links in the description below. It takes you directly to the free samples page so you don't have to search around. So those were the top 5 websites for free samples and sample packs. All of these are completely free to use, so go check them out and level up your beats.